What's up, guys? So since the last time we talked, I've been to 2 drift events with this fucking thing, and the truck rips. The rear end works great, clutch works great, everything. I couldn't honestly ask for anything better. Haven't really had any issues with it so far. I've just changed the oil like religiously. I shit you not. I change it at least once at every event, and I've changed it every, I don't know, 1,000 miles. But it's a new engine. Just kind of wanted to keep seeing what the oil was looking like, and I've been really giving it fucking business. And the thing is, dude, I'm so impressed, so proud, and I'm really happy it's worked out as well as it has. If you've been following the channel, you're gonna really love some of the shit I'm gonna show you. I've been to 2 events at Swing Set LLC up in Shenandoah Speedway. Shout out to the guys out there. Those events are killer. They run open hot lapping, and I've gotten more seat time there than I could at my home track, I feel like, personally. But I haven't been there yet, so I can't vouch. I'll go to Langley soon, but I've gotten, dude, I mean, probably 12 to 15 hours of seat time between the 2 events. And that's like straight out there getting it, not really pulling off track that much. I was out there so much, the only thing that was out there with me was fucking Miatas, because everything else was either out of tires or was overheating or had problems. I've learned a couple things. Good tires make a big difference. I've had a set of Federal 595 SS's on here now. I've loved those tires. They were really hard for me to kill. I ran a set of Accelera 531 Sports the last event. Those were really grippy. They worked really well. However, they didn't last as long as I wanted them to, but I was also doing smoky burnouts when I would spin out. So I just kind of spin, clutch kick it, and just spin back around and keep going, take off. But yeah, it was really dope. The thing rips. 2 events so far. Had a small, like I said, no issues running wise. My turbo blanket kind of caught on fire, kind of. Not really, but well, I mean, it did, to be fair. There's a flame like this tall. Basically, to give you some context, as you can see, turbo blanket ain't there anymore. Basically, I had an oil leak on the bottom of the turbo drain, and it had soaked up into the turbo blanket. And I changed the cheap drain I had on there, and I bought a Billet Motion Raceworks drain and put it on there. I cleaned the drain off and the turbo off, didn't clean the blanket itself. So therefore, in turn, at the event, the turbo was red hot, and could have even been a little bit of residual oil still on there while it lit. And it wasn't anything crazy. Kind of intuition just told me to pull off track and check. It was hot anyway, so I pulled off track, popped my hood, and lo and behold, there's a flame like fucking this tall on the bottom of my turbo blanket. So out of instinct, I had my glove on and grabbed it, burnt through the glove, and then tried grabbing it again barehanded. Burnt my fingers a little bit, but grabbed needle nose, ripped it off, threw it away because it's eBay garbage anyways. And yeah, went out there the rest of the day, kept ripping, and it was perfect. I've had no blow-by, no metallic shavings in the oil. It's ran as high as 20 pounds, and remind you, this is all stock internals, stock OEM head gasket, everything just rebuilt. Fucking thing rips. So I want to keep it short, but I just want to tell you guys to go along with this drip video, or I guess you could say, or these clips that I'm going to show you. Yeah, sorry for the wait, but things have been going great. And my main thing's just been connectivity issues and synchronization between my laptop, my GoPros, my phones, and everything, and getting everything edited and then into videos and all that good shit. So without further ado, show you all the clips. Before I show you the clips, the only things I've really done since the rear end video essentially is I added a little bit of weight to the back end, just a little bit, about 100 pounds to the rear end. I'm not gonna tell you how I did that, but yeah, I added 100 pounds to the rear end to help it keep traction. It helped immensely. I mean, crazy difference. I went from spinning out every other turn to linking the whole track, and yeah, that's some of the secret sauce. But I also got some cool LEDs interior and under, and I'm gonna post another video with that, and I'll drop a link if you guys are interested. Those are really solid. But yeah, essentially I haven't done anything but add weight. All right guys, so I'm done talking for now. About to go ahead and cut to the clips, but before I do, go ahead and drop a like, drop a subscribe, man. It's free, don't fucking cost y'all nothing. Show your boy some love. Share this clips you're about to see with your homeboy who tells you that your hard body ain't a drift car. I mean, it's not, but I would goddamn if this thing don't rip and get down out there on track with everything else. The only thing I've done since the last time we talked is get better tires and add 100 pounds to the rear end. I still got a bunch of camber shit back there, but yeah, man. Anyways, without further ado, there's the lights to give y'all a sneak peek, and here's the clips. Later. bear with me. Alright. I'm gonna make sure it's not on fire. Get some water. As you can see, it's hot as a bitch in there. And out there, you know what I mean?